Don't you just love it when someone else's incompetence screws up your own plans? I know I do. Let's get into this week's episode. So what do I mean when I say someone else's incompetence screwing up my timetable? Well, I went to go paint the tank for this week's episode, and one of the badges on the tank was hot glued onto the side in an effort to disguise the fact that there was a shoddy repair done to the tank previously. Now, whether that was done by a shop that once got paid to paint the bike or some previous owner, I don't know. But what I do know is the tank's gonna get put on hold, and in this week, we're gonna get the bike back into a rolling chassis form so that we can continue on with the restoration. So let's get into it. right, guys, calling it an end for the video. As you can see, we got a lot done. Reinstalled the front end and bolted it all back up with new hardware. And I started cleaning all the aluminum and the stainless, but I haven't finished yet. I got to polish up one half of the rim and clean up one of the sliders, but that's about it. Headlight came out real good. Handlebars cleaned up real nice. I haven't put the rear wheel on yet because I got to clean it really good. Hoping next week we'll be getting to that painting, and you'll see where we're going to take the tank, and it'll be a good probably 2 videos. One will be a good instructional video on basic body work and stuff like that. I've been doing it for over 20 years, and then and painting, and then we'll move on from there. So I'll see you all next week. Like and subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you know when the next video is coming. Talk to you later. Bye.